Hi everyone, this is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome to C Programming Tutorial Series. Since this is the first video of our C Programming Tutorial Series, so we'll start our discussion of C Programming with the history of C language. Okay, so C is one of the most widely used programming language because it's a high-level, structured and machine-independent programming language. So let us discuss the evolution of C programming language over the period of time. So the evolution of C language started with the programming language called ALGOL, which was introduced in early 1960. And this was the first programming language which introduces structural programming concepts in computer science community. This ALGOL language was developed by an international group, and then it was popularized by some group of scientists whose name were Corrado Baum, Giuseppe Jacopini, and Edgar Dijkstra. And then after a few years, in 1967, Martin Richards, a scientist whose name was Martin Richards, introduces a new programming language with the name called as BCPL, which stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. And this language was used for writing system softwares. And then after a few years, in 1970, a scientist whose name was Ken Thompson introduced a new programming language with the name called as B. The name of the programming language was B, and it has joined, or it has taken some of the important concepts from above two languages. That is, it has taken some of the most important concepts from ALGOL and BCPL. And this B programming language was used for creating early versions of Unix operating system at Bell Laboratory. And then after a few years, in 1972, a scientist whose name was Dennis Ritchie introduced a new programming language with the name called as traditional C. And this language was used for developing entire Unix operating system at Bell Laboratory. Okay, and then after a few years, in 1978, two scientists, Kernighan and Ritchie, they combined and they published a new book on C language with a name called as KNRC. Okay, this after the publishment of this book KNRC, many people started to know about C language and the advantage of writing or developing applications with C language. Okay, and the growth of C language after 1978 was so immense that development of different C language started to build. Okay, different versions of C programming gets developed, which results in lack of standards in C programming language. Okay, so the growth increases the number of versions of C language, which results in lack of standards in C language, which makes a problem for many system developers. Then keeping in mind the standards of C language, or to improve the standards of C language, American National Standards Institute decided to form a technical committee on C language to maintain the standards of C language. Okay, so in 1989, American National Standards have approved a new version of C language with a name called as NCC, stands for American National Standards Institute, and C for C language. Okay, and then in 1990, after 1 year, in 1990, the new version of C, which is ANSI-C, gets approved by International Standards Organization, by ISO. That is how emergence or the evolution of C language takes place. Okay, so this is everything about history of C, how C language emerges from ALGOL to C programming language. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button. And I would just request guys, those who have already subscribed to my channel, click on the bell icon as well. And those who have not subscribed, first subscribe to the channel and then click on the bell icon. And those who have already subscribed, then don't forget to click on the bell icon, because if you click on the bell icon, then only you will be getting the latest updates of my upcoming uploaded videos. Okay, so you don't have to search for, you don't have to spend many times for searching the information that I'm providing here. Okay, you will get a notification with the help of which you can easily get access to the information that you are looking for. Okay, so in my next video I'll be discussing some more any other concept of C programming. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.